Scandic Hotel Pasila, but they opened this was at Ipla in the beginning of 2020, and this one.
Oh yeah, actually, should I join now?
Yes, because you have key
Minus 2 is open. Oh,
minus
2. But 100 kilowatt because I have filmed this before.
Yeah.
But with a different interior.
The
capacity is 10 persons or 800 grams. It was built in late 1984, but still MPN8. Finished 1985, priced in 2003. Delta fixtures, but Kone call buttons. The number is 62988, and it's very fast. It will be expected in 2024 when it will be 40 years old. Oh, first.
Ah, yes, it's him.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Come in.
Come in.
Let's get it
Then
on.
I need another ride here.
Actually, let's see this when we go down.
And then we can change elevators on -2 after the ride from 7th floor.
Yeah.
That's full memory.
Yeah. But no door close button available. These locks are probably for floors -2, -1, and 2.
Yeah.
The door also, it's very 80s.
Of course, the original doors.
Yeah.
Original shaft doors.
Yeah, I guess they had bumpers.
Of course they had.
Grey bumpers. Oh god.
Second ride.
Just do whatever you want. Täällä on vähän täyttä. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
For the second ride.
I don't see any traces of the lamp indicator.
Yeah, because they changed these doors inside.
Okay. Okay, here they have VFDs.
Let's do a second ride. Ah, but we need a key card.
Nice. Oh, crap. Oh, you can borrow this.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And don't drop it, please.
No, we won't. We're careful. I love the sounds in here.
Yeah, same. Expected lucky-wise. Maintained by Kone.
The chime is working here on -2.
Yeah.
Again. Paused. Paused. I have it paused until I go from -2 to 7 in this one.
Yeah. I wait here.
Company in Europe.
Yes, there are.
I would like to check the chime on the lower basement floor.
Yeah.
It's always better with external
In late 1984, but still MPN8 fixtures. Finished 1985. Rust in 2003 with Kone and Delta fixtures. The number is H6299. The best is 10 versus 800 grams. One more right. It will be inspected in 2024 when it will be 40 years old. Check the chime if we can hear it.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Yeah.
Yeah, -2.
Now you have somebody clock.
I will wait for this one. But here I see it's working.
Yeah.
It's open.
Yeah.
Just wanted to see if we can get the staff of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is.
Yeah.
We can do it. It is possible.
Yeah.
But without this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's empty.
Yeah.
So maybe with FinnTrans later we can film the staff elevator, but you don't need it.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, not open as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
First floor, should we stop there?
No, it's 7 o'clock. Yeah.
There's no time.
Yeah. Expected parkkivaiset maintained by Kone.
Now it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So we did it
Still,
from-
but still.
Oh shit. Vitoseen mennään. Yes sir. Miten sulla on mennyt?
Kaikki niinku safetyt on melkein yhtä hyviä, et mä en tiedä kuinka vittu pääsen sen.
Joo, ymmärrettävää.
Vittu ne heitä ikinä mun puolelle palloa.
Vittu mä en saanut yhtä targettia. Onks tää vitoinen? Tää on vitoinen.
Ois silti saanut olla oven sulkemista. It goes in a slower speed, even when it goes too fast.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much.